Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open both apps you want side by side. Hover, or press and hold, the green full screen button on the first window. Hold for about 1 second. Once you see options, pick Tile Window to left of screen or Tile Window to right of screen so the first app snaps into place. This is faster than dragging. Make sure the second app is visible in Mission Control or on the current desktop so you can place it into the opposite tile. Once the first app occupies one side, click the other app's window to fill the opposite side. That completes the split. If you can't find the second window, press Mission Control or swipe up with 3 fingers to reveal all spaces, then drag the missing window into the same desktop and select it. After both windows are tiled, fine-tune the layout by clicking and dragging the vertical divider. This resizes both apps at once so you get the view you need. To finish, click the green button on either window or press S to exit split view. The windows return to normal. If split view won't engage, make sure displays are not set to mirror and that the app supports separate windows rather than single window modes. If problems persist, quit and reopen the apps or sign out of your user account and sign back in to reset Mission Control. That typically clears stuck spaces and restores normal window tiling behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.